Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the new feature in Google Chrome for Android that automatically removes permissions from sites you no longer visit. It's a great way to protect your privacy without having to manually manage every site. First, open Google Chrome on your Android device. Tap the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner. From the menu, choose Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Scroll further down until you find Automatically Remove Permissions. Then switch the toggle to On. This will allow Chrome to automatically remove permissions from websites you haven't visited in a while. That's it. Chrome will now handle inactive site permissions for you. Make sure your Chrome app is up to date, because this feature may only be available in the latest versions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.